Hello again. Don't be alarmed. I haven't got an ant today, or a snake. This is my tiger. He's the tiger who came to tea. He's a tiger who's as magic can be. He's a stripy tiger. What does the word tiger start with? Does it start with this one? No. What was that one? Can you remember? Well done. It was an ah. My turn. Ah. Your turn. Good job. Does tiger start with this letter? You're right. What's that one? Yeah. It was a S for snake. S. Your turn. Well done. So if it doesn't begin with an A and it doesn't begin with a S, we better find out what sound it does start with. We'll do that in a minute because something's caught my eye. You know how you know these letters now? You're actually able to make a word with those two letters. As. As. A tiger who is as magic can be. It's a word. Well done. As. Fantastic. So, that still doesn't help us though. What does the word tiger begin with? Do you know tiger? He does. Do you think you could tell me? Oh, okay. I think we could do that. Shall we show the children? Oh, I think he thinks you could do this really well. Let's rub these letters out. So my rainbow A, bye-bye A. And my rainbow S, bye-bye S. Here we go. Let's have a go at writing the letter that he whispered into my ear. It goes down, flick and across. Can you see that one? Make it a little bit darker. Here we go. Down, flick and across. It's a T. My turn. T. Your turn. Well done. Careful not to say ter. His name isn't Tiger, it's Tiger. So you have to say it really carefully. T for tiger. Have a go. My turn. T. Your turn. That's it. Fantastic. Now, when I do this sound at school, we go like this with our heads. T, 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 t. Like we're watching a tennis match and the tennis ball going across from person to person. Maybe that's a game that you could play today out in the garden. A game of tennis. T, 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 t. Or you could go out into your garden, or you could go around your house pretending to be a tiger. Could you crawl around your bedroom like a tiger? T, t, tiger. Or you could have a look out of your window, couldn't they? And what could they look for outside of their window that begins with a T? Oh yes, where you like to sit. Underneath a tree. Can you go out and look for some trees? T for tree. You might see a T for truck going past your house. Or maybe you've got some T for trains that you could play with today. Have a go at writing the word T. And another little game you could play with an adult is see if you can use all the letters we've done so far to make another word. So far we have done S, A, and T. See if you can jumble those letters up and make a word. I'd love to find out which words you make. It could be real, or they could be alien words. Maybe your tiger has a name. Well done, everybody. You're doing a fab job with your phonics. See you soon.